Scrum Master training won't teach you 3 things that you really need as you get the role. Hello guys, I'm Andy, your Agile coach. I know there are many people trying to take the Scrum Master trainings because they want to get hired as a Scrum Master in the future. This time, I just made up a video talking about why Scrum Master trainings might be worth it to your job seeking and how to resolve it. But do you know you will suffer from other problems even if you successfully get a Scrum Master job? In today's video, I'd like to share with you 3 things that most Scrum Master trainings won't teach you that you really need as you get hired for the first day. If you are a Scrum Master or are going to seek the role, I hope you don't miss today's content and watch it till the end. If you don't want to miss any valuable Agile content, subscribe me and turn on the bell to receive my weekly updates. Firstly, you have to notice the importance of soft skills. Why? In the Scrum trainings, the trainer will teach you how the Scrum framework works, what kinds of roles in the Scrum team, and what the accountabilities are, the artifacts that support you strengthen the 3 pillars of Scrum, right? However, when you're back to the office, it is you who have to coach the team to follow the Scrum principles, and you are facing a group of people that might even have no idea what Scrum is. How do you lead them to implement the practices? Confidence might be your first skill you need to take because you have to influence your team and never be afraid to make some mistakes when you are leading them to practice. People are tending to be influenced by confident people even if their comments might be incorrect. As a Scrum Master, you need to be confident with your belief so that the team tends to try your suggestions to implement the events. And courage is one of the necessary elements the role should have because sometimes you need to negotiate with multiple departments, and hierarchical problems will be a challenge for you since you need to protect the team from unnecessary interference that damages their sustainable development pace. And then, it is learning the tools that matters to support you to coach the members. In Scrum trainings, it teaches you that the product owners should prepare the product backlogs and maintain their priorities to reflect the latest requirements of customers. But in real context, you have to coach the product owner and the team how to manage their work effectively in order to show them how. Writing user stories, prioritizing product backlogs, reviewing burndown charts, you have to get familiar with the tools you are using. I know there have been many tools out there such as Jira, Trello, Pickup, Monday.com, and so on. And there are many free online tutorials for you to learn. So remember to download some free versions of software management tools to help you get familiar with the usage of them, so that it helps you cooperate with your team more effectively. Lastly, you should have a big picture of what your team is working on. Why do I say this? As a Scrum Master, you are essentially a coach, and you are facing a group of skillful people. If you don't have a big picture of what they are doing, you cannot ask a good question to help them think how to fit the Scrum values. For example, the team might be facing the dependency problems and have no idea how to resolve it because of the tight deadline. If you have the picture of building a product, you are more likely to lead them to make tough decisions to achieve minimum viable products for the next release. Therefore, when you successfully become the Scrum Master, the first thing you should do is to observe what the team is building up and have a picture in mind where they are going. Even you could spend time with the product owner to know the roadmap of a product. I bet that will assist you pick up the picture more quickly. I hope the above sharing really broadens your vision to what you should know when you decided to apply for the Scrum Master training. Usually, it is a 2-day training, so you can expect to learn all the things you have to know in such a short time. And I share my insights and reflections with you in this video. If you still have other problems, now I provide a one-on-one free online web call to answer your questions as possible as I could. Just click the link in the description and reserve for a web call. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe me, and comment below if you have any questions. I'm Andy, your Agile coach. Bye-bye.